Alright, y'all, real quick on how to change the windshield blades on a BMW. Hold the windshield down for a few seconds, then windshield will stop. You just get out, pull back. It's a little tab right here. Y'all can really see it. Press this in. Try to do it one hand. Alright, press it in and up. Off it goes. And get your new windshield wiper. One handed joint, y'all. Bear with me. Let me get this undone, y'all. I'll be right back. Alright. Got that one out, but as y'all see, that's too long. And this one seems too short. Got the wrong ones, but alright, gotta move out, y'all, but it looks like I got the wrong ones. So, dang. Yeah, that one too short, and this one way too long, but they call for 22, 21, I think, or 26, 19 and 26. I don't know. Let's order the wrong ones, but yeah, that's how you do it though. So just tab up, out. Make sure you hold the windshield knob down for about 5 seconds, and then that's it. Alright, y'all. So I don't have the wrong one. What it is I got the right one for the passenger side. I got the wrong one for the driver's side. You can see it feel like that. So this is the one that came off the car. This is the one I brought. You can kind of see wrong size. This is the new one. This is the old one. But that's more like it right there. So I gotta replace the passenger side, just not the driver's side. So, and then it just, y'all can see it, it just slides right on. Snaps in place. Take these right strippers off. And that box. And then yes, I look kind of pretty, but it's on. Yeah, so I don't know what to do about this one. Should we try it? Let's see what happens. see what happens. Put down kids. Y'all see kill the cat, but satisfaction knowing bring it back. Crank it back up. Start looking outside. Yeah, I'm gonna let it rock. Shoot. Oh, turn that thing off. I'm gonna let it rock, y'all. All right, till next time.